Boondocks. The Boondocks.
Hi guys, today I'm getting ready for my first ever kayak fishing tournament. So I'm just going to cut up the bait, and I got the burley out, and it's going to be an early start at 5 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, nice early start, eh? So getting prepared now so we don't have to worry and fluff around in the dark. So we've got a high tide at 20 to 6 in the morning, and we want to be on the water by 5 a.m. Sun rises a little bit later, but yeah, we want to be all set and burley in the water, ready to go. So we've got a new fresh burley over there. What's that one called? Salty Dog or something?
Yeah.
Salty Dog.
Eddie Dog. And we've got a leftover from another trip. So what we're going to do this time around is put the fresh one down on the anchor and have this one suspended over the side of the kayak just so it's freely flowing in the current up from the surface. Lockie's getting squid ready for our choice of bait. If we just come around and have a quick nosy, we've got our kayak ready to go. So got some headlamp front and back, life jackets obviously. We've added some microfiber cushions for comfort. Lockie's got his they call them aqua shoes and gloves. We've got a paddle this time. Got our ruler, different size criteria for the comp, so everything worth weighing in has to be over 35. So we've got a 40 centimetre ruler there just to gauge what we're dealing with. Obviously our rod set up, our new black magic net that we just picked up from hunting and fishing. Set up a little bit of a light setup on the pole just for the time being. This is where I'm going to suspend the other burley from. And then just in our little nook here, we've got yet another headlight, traces in there, hook remover, icky stick and a rag. All the things that we kind of need really. Life jackets obviously. Couple of rods, good to go.
Everybody, welcome to the 2025 Kayak Comp for the Eastern Bay of Plenty. Awesome to see some of the old faces here. Terrific. And even though the conditions are going to be a little bit marginal around here and maybe west of here, check out this notice board here. I've done the best I can to put together some
Ready to go, Lockie?
Yeah.
Say hello.
Bye.
Nice early start for us.
Hi guys.
All good, bro?
You can probably see that it's super dark.
Blinding you?
Yeah, as it's early as in the morning, like 5 o'clock. So we're just paddling out now, and in about 20 minutes, that's when we're going to get to our destination and put our first lines in the water. Some other people today that have joined us. We might not be able to see them, but they are here. Yeah, so hope we have a good time kayak fishing and catch a big one, and it'll be cool if one of us wins a prize, even the little thing, doesn't really matter.
Morning team. Lockie's got his first bait set up, so we're out here. Moon in the background. She's pretty dark. Burley's down. First bait of the comp. Wish us luck. Lockie's first fish. Bring it over here, bud. Got a little shark. Should come out. Sorry buddy, don't want to blind you. Pretty cool. Alright buddy, back you go. Sun's come up. Rainbow in the background. Lockie's on. Just gonna drag a little bit, buddy, but that's alright. Alright, nice, Lockie. Get around this way. Woohoo! Nice snaps. A golden colour. You beauty, mate. It's a good fish. Well, we haven't had too much luck this morning. It's a bit quiet. We've been on the water for 5 hours. Lockie's got one snapper that we will weigh in, which is cool. And we just pulled anchor now. We're going to make our way to the Hiwa wharf and have a little smoko, bit of a stretch, and then we'll see how we go. Well, yeah, got Bodhi and Renelle going to bring us some hot chips down there, so look forward to that because she's a bit cooler out here today, but a couple other competitors in the distance there, so wish them well. Hope some fish are being caught out there. But anyway, we'll carry on, that's fishing. Hey Bo, are you joining us? Just have some smoko and then we're back out there, eh?
I know what we should do there. If we eat our fish, ask them if they can cook it and let's get chips.
Oh, great idea. Oh, we've got an added passenger. Little Bobo, the mussel, paddling us back out after our smoko. So we're going to go to find another little channel to sit in and see what happens. Hey Locks, what you got there?
Chevelle.
Oh well, nice. Put it back, eh? See you later, bud. Good work, mate. Oh well, time to knock it on the head. I think the wind's picking up, so we'll make our way in. And when you fish through the tides, this is what happens.
Lockie. And is that Lockie?
Yeah, the boondocks.
Oh, the boondocks.
Yeah, which is 40, I think.
Yeah, that's a good size.
118. Good work, buddy. Look at that.
Do you guys want your fries?
Where all the frames go?
I think if nobody wants them, Mariah's going to take them.
Oh, that'd be good, eh?
Yeah.
From the use.
Oh well, it's the second day. We're going in for the final prize giving now, so the boys waiting to fish, which is awesome. And yeah, we just got here to the charter club and gonna see how we get on. Hopefully we have some luck.
Number 45.
Yeah, Lockie! Yay! Well done, buddy.
Number 34.
Nice, man.
Oh, you do?
Nice work, Lockie.